This is Fisher House 1, and this is the house that we've been working on a project with the corporate foundation on remodeling.
Beazer Homes is so proud that we have partnered with the Fisher House Foundation for nearly 10 years. And we take so much pride in partnering with them and helping serve people who've served us as a country.
Fisher House is a no-cost lodging facility here for military family members. Currently, we're having a lot of combat injured folks come to our facilities here. When they do check in, it's usually during some of their darkest moments in their lives. And that's when we step in and let them know, hey, we have a good free place for you to stay here at Fisher House.
It is one of those that is an older house. In fact, it was the very first house that was built. And so they wanted to be a part of the renovation. And not only did they contribute the funds, but when it was time to move everything out to get ready to start, they sent a team to help us do it. Their heart beats prouder than any other organization I've had the privilege of working with.
In addition to our division supporting here at the house, we've been able to do a lot of fundraising and to actually get to see where the money goes and how it's spent and the people it helps is really everything to us.
Working with them has been tremendous. Having the common goal that we have, everybody knows the mission that we have, and that's to take care of the family members.
It's not a one-time event. It's a part of your circle of support, and that just means the world.
It's not the end. This is a big milestone along the way. Our teams have been supporting the Fisher House Foundation for nearly 10 years, so it is an honor and a privilege for us to be able to roll up our sleeves and get hands-on at our local Fisher Houses across the country.